How would you describe MDC?
Napakasaya sa MDC. So, even though we're separated by several floors, parang lang kayong mga friends na. Even the bosses, Spanish na po sa atin straightforward.
I get to be myself. They accept me for who I am. And they accept me for my mistakes, my shortcomings, my accomplishments here. And when someone accepts you for who you are, isn't that family?
Parang kumbaga hindi mo feel yung difference kahit sa level or position. Talagang we feed each other parang family members.
Nagtutulungan kami para ma-accomplish yung mga tasks. Tapos kung may problema man yung isa, meron agad sasala sa mga gagawin mo. Tapos hanggat maaari, pinupush namin yung isa't isa para maging best sa kanya-kanya namin gustong gawin.
Very supportive yung management sa mga tao dito. Tinutulungan nila yung empleyado na mag-grow pa sa kanilang mga knowledge.
I think my favorite part would always be the people here.
The best part of working in MAC is making you realize where you need to work your skills on and then giving you the opportunity to improve yourself.
We allow you to think outside the box.
Para kasi hindi ka nagkakaroon ng limitations of being yourself.
You can express your ideas freely. You can interact with people even from higher positions and you will learn from them.
Talagang malaking advantage na maging part ng company kasi kompleto ng mga equipment from wired to wireless, from security to surveillance, okay yung mga portfolio. Ang ID, mabilis siyang mag-upgrade. So, ilang buwan lang, ilang araw lang, panibago na ng mga advancement. Yung kasi, lagi updated. Never kami para ma-left behind.
Tinuturuan nila ako, okay? Not in the technical side lang. Tinuturuan nila ang mga corporate way, how to speak with people, how to accommodate with people, how to face with the people. Mga ganong little things pero still may impact.
Tinulungan nila ako na mas maging confident. They help you to reach your goals and develop your skills.
Awesome lang kasi meron silang ability na i-impart yung knowledge nila in their own simple ways.
What more could you ask for than a healthy working environment? I'm just happy to discover that there's a lot in it. And then, MAC was the key.
Challenge ako na i-innovate and hanggat maaari gawing fun yung mga gawa ko.
Overcoming and facing those challenges would not be possible without the help and support from people here at MAC.